washed away as soon as springtime came. I danced a summer, fell an autumn, another candle blown. Now winter's come around again, I'm back where I began. And even though you've heard it all, and I know you don't believe, let me keep the last thing left for me. This will be the year, the year I learned to take some time to stop and breathe it in, to keep a promise to myself, to finish what I begin. Bad habits stop, no more regrets, a step out of the rest. Open arms and an open heart to all that lies ahead. And even though you've heard it all, and I know you don't believe, let me keep the last thing left for me. This will be the year, my faith carries me, I'll keep holding on, and I'll face finally what I've been doing wrong. I know you don't believe, but just for me, can't you pretend that you'll never ever hear me say these words again? I know this time I won't be late, this time I will arrive. Save my tears, save my doubts, this time I will try. I know I can be better, I promise I'll be strong. I'll make them see what I had been seeing all along. I know you've heard it all before, and I know you don't believe, but let me keep the last thing left for me. This will be the year, the
I was going to practice a couple of verses from